Hello dear colleagues, browsing the dental literature again for you. How many tooth colors are there? Make a guess. So what do you think? How many tooth colors are there? The latest article by Saschahain et al. In the Dental Materials 2024, very recent articles. So what did the authors do? They conducted their study by collecting a large data set of in vivo C-lab measurements from 8,153 untreated maxillary and mandibular anterior incisors. They used the E-lab system, which involves capturing calibrated raw images with the DSLR or mirrorless camera, and so on, cross-polarization, all the information. If you want to read the full article, just drop me a message and I will share the PDF with you. The images were then analyzed, custom Python routine to complete all the statistics, where each tooth color was represented by a sphere with the diameter matching the clinical perceptibility, oh wow, what a word, threshold of 1.2 delta E. Okay, what are the main findings? The main findings of the study are that there are 1,173 unique natural tooth colors. Wow, did you make this guess, that large number of tooth colors? And to adequately cover this gamut, 92 discrete shades are needed. Well, I think the 3D shade guide has 26 shades. Today, in the realm of reducing the number of shades, one shade concepts, so this is a little bit, let's say, we need to discuss about this. And especially the Vita Classical shade does not cover at all the colors, and the 3D Master a little bit more, but the clinical implications are the limitations of existing shade guides in matching natural tooth colors can lead to patient dissatisfaction. So we talked about the study that 80% of patients see a difference between the natural teeth and their restorations. That while a physical shade guide with 92 shades is impractical, advancements in digital tools and 3D printing may offer future solutions for more accurate shade matching. Wow. Okay, so that's for today, and keep an eye on your tooth shades.